Hey there. So a lot of people have asked me if it's possible to get targeted traffic from Quora. People have also told me that they've tried using Quora for traffic, but they have not received any traffic from Quora, or the traffic they received wasn't great. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to get lots of traffic from Quora. I'm also going to talk about what you need to do to ensure that you get the traffic and that your answers are upvoted and seen, so that you can have traffic coming to your website or to your products so that you can sell. Folks, if you like the video, please feel free to like and subscribe. I have another video coming up later this week, and it'll basically talk about how to recover your website from Google's algorithm update, but this is specifically tips for bloggers. I've not been able to post that video yet because I'm still testing a few things. As soon as I get the results are in, I will talk about, I'll post a video, and it will be specifically for people who run affiliate websites, people who run blogs, and who have seen their traffic drop because of the Google algorithm update in May. How to generate traffic from Quora. So the first thing you'll need is you'll need an aged Quora account. If you have a new Quora account, it's not going to work as well. The Quora account at least has to be 3 years old or older. Now, how do you get an older Quora account? There are many people on Fiverr selling Quora accounts that you can go ahead and buy. It's also possible to buy a Quora account on I've seen some people sell it on Facebook groups, so you can go there and you can buy an account. It's not very expensive. I think it's like $5 to $10 per account. Once you have the account, make sure that you go into the profile, edit the profile, make sure to add your name or your business's name to the profile. Your name is important, so make sure to add your name and then right under it the name of your business. Add a URL from that profile to your business, and then add a description about your business and your specialties. Make sure to add all the keywords in the description. Make sure to add all the keywords when you're posting. The next step is to find a question that is in line with what your business is. So for instance, I'm in the SEO niche, so I'll go to Quora and I'll search for instance, link building, and I'll search and I'll give me a whole bunch of questions related to link building, and I'm an expert, so I'll go ahead and I'll answer the question about link building, and I will put in as much detail as possible. And what I'll do is I will have an anchor text that links back to my link building service or my service on the website. Now, all links in Quora are no follow, so technically they don't pass link juice. But in my experience, they do pass a little bit of link juice. I've tested this, and I've only made Quora links to a test website, and I've seen the website go up in ranking. Now, once you've done that, now since Quora does not allow you to put in like a call to action at the very end, or you can't sell your service on Quora, but what you can do is you can tell the person is if they want to learn more, they click here and they can learn more about how to address their problems. Now, the key to getting more traffic from Quora is not to answer general questions, it's to answer questions where people are having a problem. So why are my links not giving me passing link juice and helping my website rank? That will be a good question to answer. So I can put in like a 100-word answer and say, if you want to learn more, you click here and you read the answer on my blog. And so you're getting traffic from Quora to the blog. If you have a CBD website, or a website selling CBD products, for instance, so you go to Quora and you'll answer, a question, for instance, like I have had a backache for the past 2 years. I've been through therapy. I'm not sure what I need to do. Some people have told me that I should use CBD. Can anyone help me? So you answer the question, you talk about CBD, and then you post a link to your products towards the end of the answer, and an anchor text in the beginning of the answer to your website, where people can go and they can learn about CBD, and they can buy your CBD products. As you can see, I'm running this, and you can see how many upvotes and how many likes my comments have got. Now, I do this for clients, but it's something very easy that you can do. Now, how much traffic can you expect? When I do this for clients, it really depends. On average, it's like around 400 to 500 visitors a week, out of which, but this is very high quality traffic. So generally the traffic, the conversion rate is pretty high. So for every 100 visitors, my client would see a 7 to 8% conversion rate. So 7 to 8 people would convert. They would either sign up for the newsletter, they would buy a product, or they would send an inquiry, which is something that they obviously want. So if you've been using Quora and you have not seen results, this should help you. If you have a question, feel free to leave a comment below. If you're a subscriber, you can ask for a free audit. I've put the link in the description. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video.